Hi, grade fours. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about Seesaw and some of the things that I have been noticing just with your assignments and some ways that I can help you, as well as just about feedback and where you can find that. So I'm going to log in as a student. Here's my code. I'm going to enter it and enter the website. And you guys know this, it's familiar, I'm sure, that I have my activities, a journal, and an inbox. A lot of you have just been using the activities tab, which is great. So, for example, today is Tuesday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check on the Tuesday poetry activity. I'm actually going to click on it before I click add response because I need to read the instructions. Did you hear that? You need to read the instructions. A lot of you are forgetting to do that, and then you're doing double the work or you're not doing the work correctly, and then I'm having to ask you to go back and change things. I'd rather you read the instructions first and only have to do it one time. So as always, you can click on the activity. The instructions will always be right here, first things first. And then you can click on the image here to the left to read the poems, because this says choose one of the three poems to focus on and read it out loud. So the first thing I have to do is I have to choose a poem. When I click on it, it's always going to pop up larger, which makes it so you can actually read it. So as always, you flip through it. I'm going to choose this one, The Way I Play Soccer. And then I would do the activity. It says highlight or underline words that activate your five senses or otherwise have strong imagery. Turn your poem into a 6-panel comic and create the same sense of imagery using visuals. So then I'm going to click add response once I decide what I'm going to do. And I'm going to upload or add my photo of my 6 frame comic, okay? For some other activities, there is like this Friday division, or well, let's not do Friday. Let's go to the Wednesday activity. This one, same thing. I'm going to click on it. It opens up, and you're going to do some multiplication, or no, sorry, division. So you can click on it and kind of just preview the different activities. But then there's also going to be a template. So when you go through, you're going to see how many of these you can solve, and you're going to write your answers on this answer sheet. So the best way I find is to add a text box and then type in the text box and resize it. From my template though, if I forget what I'm doing, I can go view instructions and it will remind me what I need to be doing. Are you getting the point? You need to read the instructions. I write it for a reason. It's important, okay? I'm just going to delete this because I didn't do any work. Lastly, though, is for almost all of your activities, I am writing comments or giving you feedback. And it's important that you read that, because just like in class, if we were sitting beside each other and I was looking at your poetry assignment, I would talk to you and I would say, I really like this, this, and this. For your next poetry assignment, I want you to think about blank. And it will give you an idea of how you can advance your learning and advance how you're showing me what you know, okay? And how you find that is you click on inbox. If you have a notification, it will be highlighted with this little red thing. My guest account doesn't have any notifications. It just has a message. That's why it says 1 right here. And you can see that there's a message from me. And then if I were to click on notifications, if I commented on your post with some feedback, which I have, all of it will show up here. And I want you to click on the item and it will have the comment and all the information. Sometimes I might say, can you edit this item to add blank? Or doesn't look like you read the instructions. Can you please redo this assignment correctly? But oftentimes it's just going to be feedback like, for tomorrow's assignment, I want you to focus on X, Y, or Z, okay? So that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope this helps you navigate Seesaw a little bit better. Main points: read the instructions and read your feedback. Have a great day, grade fours. Bye.